All right, it's cooking time. I already sliced up these onions. My phone rang, so I didn't make you listen to that. We're going to move on to the next step. All right, next is hamburger. This is actually 90. I wanted 80. I think one of them was in the wrong bin when I grabbed it, so I got a couple 80s, and this was the first one that I pulled out without looking. Gonna put it in this. People are used to my Ziplocs. I'm trying to get off of the Ziplocs a little bit. This part's not gonna be fancy, but I'm gonna make this probably a little weird. Trying something a little different. No vegetarian stuff. Let's see, hopefully I'm in there. My doctoring, there's some Sriracha the Rooster. A little bit. Some McCormick's hamburger. I like this stuff. I'm not going fancy with the burger. And then I'm going to move this for a second. I'm just using the electric skillet and the green pan. I did bring the induction, that thrift store one I got, that little one, but I'm going to use this one right now. Got a little olive oil. Vinny, you're going to need to get off that cooler. I got to get the cheese out, brother. Had a good bike ride today. I did learn that the new bike, that seat's not very comfortable. So we got here, these are those hash brown potato patties. And if you guessed it, you might be right. I'm going to put these, I'm going to cook 2 of them. Put those in there. And I'm going to do like a burger rendition of Primanti Brothers. I'm going to put these right on the burger. Could be terrible. Could be interesting. If it doesn't taste good, you know what I'll do? I'll take them off the burger. Got my paper towels already, and as if you watched me cook, this is like 1.5 feet maybe of counter space. So I'm gonna mix this up. A little bit more sriracha on there. A little bit more of the hamburger seasoning. Again, I'm not a huge sloppy burger fan. I like to mix the stuff in this way. So I got everything messed up here. I'll use the bathroom sink. I'll be back in a second. Alright, I did bring the Stuffs press, but I also got this thing. I think that was a thrift store find. And do it right on aluminum foil. Alright, those are coming along. Spin you. Alright, gonna make the burgers. I can get 3 out of this. They won't all be the same. They never are, but they'll be roundish. No, it's gonna have to be 2. It's just gonna have to be 2. Try this again. Because that's how I like them. Big, thick burgers. Everything gets stored in the nucleator. Because again, I don't have any space. And do a flip. And they're coming along. In goes the onions. Get them started up a little bit. I think we need some more olive oil. RV cooking. Tiny space cooking. I'll give those a couple minutes. Burger 2. Yes, the charbroil smokes, but that's a good thing. Smoky goodness. I want to flip, but I'm not going to do it. And I'm not going to smush them. Have you heard of a place called Smashburger? Have you heard of a place called Steak and Shake? They smash the bejesus out of their burgers. But I won't do it. It's a little early, but it's still okay. Don't those look good? Can you hear it? Can you hear the sizzle? I'm gonna flip them. Again, too early. Too early. Probably time. No flare-ups. Grilled to go. Keep flipping them. Trying to get these to have a little bit of crunch on the outside and still not burnt. But I like mine medium. No red in my burgers. Alright, I think those are where I want them. Pretty much. So I'm going to turn the grill off, keep them warm, and finish what I'm doing inside. Alright, here's what we're going to do. Here's the stuff. Put onions on them. And I was gonna make cheese hats, but I got lazy at the last minute. I'm just gonna put some cheese on it. Alright. Alright. Look at there. The buns. Alright, take it inside. Alright, we're gonna do a couple things. I got this can of New Orleans style red beans. Since that pan is already dirty, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put those in there. Nothing fancy. Veggies tomorrow. Can't be one of my burgers without smiley face. Another smiley face. This one gets some hair. That one needs some hair. Flyover time. I'll probably show you the beans at the end. Smiley face. Smiley face. Onions, burger, potato cake, and cheese. Let's taste it. Here we go. Put the lid on. Oh, that's a good looking burger. Isn't that a good looking burger? Mmm. That's pretty darn good, if I must say so. And I must say so, I must. Man, that's good. I got the beans heated up. Flyover. Let's see what they taste like. Hard to beat Bush's. Somebody's grandma might be able to beat Bush's, but I can't. These are pretty darn good. Alright, YouTubers, there's some RV cooking. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great and wonderful day. Oh yeah, and when you're at the casino, you get free soda. That's lemonade. And I'm inside because it's actually hot up here. It's 80 something, which up here seems pretty darn hot. And it's skeeter season. Now, have a great and wonderful day.